What is going on today, guys? My name's Alex. Welcome back to the channel. Today we are talking once again about the old Chevy Silverado 2500, and we are talking about off-road capability. Now, when it comes to off-road performance for your Chevrolet Silverado or your GMC Sierra, there is a very important factory option that you guys should check if you have, because if you do, it's going to greatly increase your off-road performance. So that option is called the G80 option. What that is, it is a factory true mechanical locking rear differential, and it is going to greatly improve your off-road performance in your Chevy or GMC trucks. Now, the easiest and simplest way to check if you have that G80 option and the G80 rear locker is to check your glove box. There'll be a sticker there and it'll say G80 right on it. Let me show you. So I've taken the liberty of just taking the glove box right out. I feel like it's probably an easier way to show you guys. Now, if you can see, it says G80 right there, G80. So that means that this truck is equipped with a sweet factory locker, and you're gonna have some really good off-road performance. Makes a really big difference. Obviously, this truck is a little bit older, but the G80 option is still a factory option in even the newest GMC and Chevrolet pickup trucks, and there will be a sticker on the glove box even in those new trucks. So there you go. We are under this truck, obviously. This is the rear diff, and this is where our G80 differential locker is housed. Now, basically how this works is that there are little flywheels in there, and when it detects that one of these wheels is spinning at 100 RPMs faster than the other, those flywheels will basically just release, and what that does is it locks the spider gears together and therefore forces this differential carrier to spin as one unit, forcing power equally out to each axle, and then obviously each wheel is going to be forced to spin at the same speed, pulling you out of that sticky situation you're in. So that's briefly how this locker works. So fellas, if you are curious if you have that increased off-road performance and capability, check those glove boxes. It should say right in there, G80. The next video I'm gonna make is gonna be a much more in-depth review on this G80 locker. I'm gonna compare it to my Ram, which has an open differential in the back, and we're just gonna do some real-world testing and show how capable this G80 locker is in comparison to just a normal open diff. So stay tuned for that. But I just want to make a quick video demonstrating how you guys can check if your truck is equipped with some extra off-road performance. If you like the video, don't forget to leave that thumbs up. It really helps me out. And if you like stuff like this, maybe even think about subscribing. We would love to have you guys on board. Anyways, we'll see you in the next freaking video.